gliding through the cosmos, a momentum to the unknown. Yet I know this motion, it is drifting, flowing, curving to my emotion. Separated by a star chart, lying super clusters apart. Yet our intersection is unavoidable, tied by an invisible cable. So don't let this pain slip away, dissipate. And from this huge impact, we create beautiful rays that for display. So don't let this passion go away, stream. It is a sensation that was connecting there, a cosmic ballet. This is our collision, collision, collision. This is our collision, 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 our collision. Three, two, one, impact. I am crumbling to pieces. I'm fracturing. I'm shattering. Carried by the river to a unifier. Traveling the planets straight through streams of intergalactic orbits. Disunited by a star trace, dislocating astral distance. But it's obvious from our trajectory, we are each other's destiny. So don't let